Welcome to my room. It's kind of weird. Every room faces outside, and you have to walk over to the bathroom. The bloke's room. He has the biggest one in the house. This is probably the most settled that I've been for some time. I've got a house. I've got a car. I've got a job. I learned not to wash my whites with reds, even if they're red synthetics. I've counted it down. I've been traveling for the last 18, 19 months, and my wears on you. It's not that you don't want to go travel. Let me tell you, if I start pulling up a flight website, I'm going to be looking for somewhere to go. But it's this idea of settling down, making friends, having a routine. It's wonderful. It's healing. But it's also a little scary. So the reason why I say that living somewhere and staying somewhere is a little scary is because I have to stay. Like, I can't go run off and leave when I get bored or sick of a spot and there's no friends around. I have to sit here, live a life, and make friends along the way. And that's not the easiest thing to do. For example, I'm working hospitality, so I have no weekends free. I have today, Wednesday, free. That's it. And I want to play sports. I don't want to just go out to the bars late. And everyone I know, drinking's the thing to do. So it's tough to find that crowd of like-minded either creators or people who want to do athletic things. So now I got to find them. So I've got a lot of cool stuff at this house. It's a little bit run down, you know. Got some holes, maybe that was a sideways axe or something. But it comes with some perks. And one of my favorite perks is the pool. So I'm gonna introduce you to my new baby.
Your audience must be impressed or you're wasting your
Toyota Trago 96. Squeaks. Wait for it. If you could feel the AC, you'd be amazed. Well, maybe not yet, but it's still actually very hot. Cools down eventually. Hear that? It's got a Hemi. So the hard part about navigating in Australia is you're driving on the wrong side. As you can see, steering wheel's way over here. The idea is you need to be in the middle of the road. So if you're on the other side of the road, driving by the curb, you're not in America anymore. You got to course correct. Over this bridge, you teleport into the lovely Darwin. It always looks like a storm's brewing somewhere, which is probably true, but it doesn't always hit here, which is nice. So one of the main goals of my day today was to catch my first Darwin sunset. I've been here 2 weeks and I've never actually made it to the beach to watch the sunset. I've been working or I've been on the other side of town. So this is what I'm racing to. I've got 2 minutes. Trying to get the very last little bit, you know, when all the colors change. There's always some obstacles though, right? So my goal has been accomplished. I caught the most beautiful sunset, and right when I got there, it started storming, dropping a bunch of rain. The whole fog was a huge bat. Now the sun's down, the bats are out. And I'm talking bats, I'm not talking like the little ones from the States. I'm I thought the first bat I saw was a fucking raven. They're huge. See if I can get one on video. They're flying everywhere. Probably not gonna work this way. One random thing I will admit is there is a fair bit of solitude in this. Moving to a new city, starting work, getting a place to live, gym pass, life. And it's tough, you know? This bit of not having the friend base or knowing anyone is something that I'm getting used to. Usually I could just go off and go to a hostel, but part of me is really staying away from hostels because I've gotten past that point and I have a nice house to live in. But it all's coming together, and it's one of those things, it's like a stretch zone. It's like getting out of your comfort zone to get to the point that you're meeting people, you're starting your own community, and you're having a great time in a completely new city. Casinos in Australia. So I've driven by this place a couple times and I've always wondered, well, I know what's inside of it, but what is it like in Australia? So in the US, casinos allow you to sit at the penny slots and get free drinks. Since everyone in Australia drinks so much, I doubt they have anything to do with free drinks. In fact, drinks here are expensive. But if you're working in hospitality, this is the place to go because they pay $10 more per hour. Just a little hard to get a job. At the casino. Let's see if I'm gonna get kicked out for having a camera. It's like a baby Vegas, complete with a Chinese restaurant with no one in it. Then I found everyone at the casino.
We were just getting drinks.
It's funny because right before I came to the casino, I thought it was really hard just being alone, not knowing many people here. And then I find every single person that I know walking right up to me as I came to the casino. I'm not that alone here, I guess. I like it.